Alright teachers, so this last video is just going to go over something that I thought of as I was creating the other ones that is important to note. If your students try to insert onto Google Sites a document that they haven't shared with you, you won't be able to see that actual document. So a couple easy ways to kind of conquer that. If you have them saving their work in a writing portfolio folder in Google Drive, then you could just click up here on writing portfolio, or have them click on writing portfolio, go down to share, and share it with you, and that way you'll have it and they will have access to it as well. So if you if the student types in your email, one thing that I have them do is click off of this notify people. And like I said that in some of the other videos, you might not want to get an email every single time somebody shares it. Or you might. That might be the way that you want to organize things. It's up to you. But I choose not to have it notify me because it just kind of clogs up my email. So that's all I got to do is click that, then click OK. I'm going to cancel so I don't share it with myself. But that way, anything that's in this folder should be shared with you as well. Or one thing that I do more than this is in Google Classroom. That's where I like for them to create all of their assignments. It just kind of works better with my organizational scheme. But under classwork, I just create an assignment for each individual thing that they do at all, but especially for this writing portfolio. I found at the end of the school year last year, when we needed to just add a few things that we hadn't included onto the portfolio, all I did was went to create an assignment, and I just created writing portfolio. Good grief, can't spell portfolio tonight. Writing portfolio samples, whatever you want to title it, and then have the students turn it in there. You can go ahead and turn off ungraded. I like to divide things up into topics. This is a brand new class, so I don't have a writing portfolio topic, but you can change all the things you want and then click assign, and that way the students have shared it with you via Google Classroom, and at that point you would be able to see their documents once they put them on the Google site. So those couple things I was just thinking of as I was making the video, and I've come across that in the past where a student has tried to upload a document that I couldn't view because they hadn't shared it with me before. So just make sure that happens, and throughout this whole process, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me. Again, it's kgay@alvinisd.net, and I would be happy to help you with as much as I can. Alright, thanks so much.